Let's go. Hi. How you guys doing? Bell Squad, who's in here? Donald, Doug, and Philip. Thank you guys so much for your support, and welcome back. Yeah. So, man, I really haven't had time to really finish up my portfolio site, but I want to get it done before the end of the year, and it's coming up fast. You know, I want to just finish it. I can just see the end. But yeah, not only that, I want to hang out with you guys because it's pretty fun. It's pretty fun to just do all this Webflow stuff. Richard, what's up? New Zealand, had a few beers, perfect time for some Webflow. Yeah. Well, welcome. What time is it in New Zealand? Isn't it probably afternoon or something like that? I know we have a New Zealand in Wellington, New Zealand. We have a meetup there. I don't know if you go to that one, Richard, or you should really look up, Google that one, because yeah, that community is growing really good. Yeah, would love you to be part of the community. I would love to go to all these meetups that are coming up on Webflow. But yeah. Let me see here. Meetups. Yeah, if you go to here, I'll put the link in the chat room. Oh, I need to fix that, don't I? Hold on, let me see here. Oh, there it is. Cool. Oh, I need to. Oh, it's not the right size. There it goes. Yeah. So we have 21 meetups, 3,000 members. Yeah, and right there in Wellington. Yeah. There's one near you. Please hit it up and just meet the folks. The Webflow community members are so nice and so enthusiastic about Webflow. I mean, I should know. I am a Webflow fan, and just like you are, Webflow is just a whole different product, a whole different platform that helps you do so much more, and it makes you want to tell everyone about it. I know there's designers out there, they're like, no, I want to keep it as my like secret weapon or something, and I don't want to tell anyone. But the more and more you use it, the more you're like, oh my god, I see someone using something else and they're having so much frustration. I need to tell them about Webflow, and then it just grows from there. It's so fun. But yeah, if you don't have a Webflow meetup near you and you want to start one, well, hit me up on Twitter. Like, I want to help you build a local community. That's my new job over at Webflow. So yeah, hit me up. What else is happening? Oh, yeah. Boom. So out of nowhere, the CEO of Crowdcast, Sai, hit me up and he was like, hey, can I interview you on the Creator Cast on Crowdcast? I'm like, okay, sure. And I was like, first, what are you gonna ask me? I want to, do you have like some sort of like talking points that I gotta get to or something? And he's like, no, just talk about your career, how you build a community using live video. And I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, I can totally talk about that. So if you want to register for that, that's in 5 days. I'll just be talking about stuff, and maybe I can, inspire someone to build a community online. Oh, yeah. All right. So first thing, oh my god, my music isn't on the other scene. I just noticed that. Hold on, let me fix that real quick. Let's do it live. Let's see here. Audio input. Browser. There we go. Cool. I did it live. So anyways. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. So these streams, I'm doing them every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday if I'm available. If it's a chill night with my family and like Nova's asleep, then yeah, I'm gonna do it. But Monday and Thursdays for sure. Saturdays a maybe. Okay, so that way I have like time with my family and whatnot. But anyways, besides that, yeah, if you have any questions about Webflow as far as like, hey, how do I do this? Or like something's not working, or how do I do some custom code in Webflow? I want to help you. And then after that, I'll get into my own project if no one has any questions. But yeah, let's get into it. Turn that off. Yeah, turn off the music. Let's go. All right, so first thing is, I don't know if you remember from a previous stream, I did this split screen thing. And I got a DM from Mr. Drillhead. Yes. He says, "Hi Nelson, you asked for a design issue." Actually, here, let me just put on screen. All right. On screen. Cool. Can I make this bigger? Can I zoom in? Oh, I can't zoom in. Okay, whatever. You asked for a design issue sometime back. You made an image compare interaction with mouse movement. Works fine on desktop, but I need one for iPad and mobile as well. Something like one image with a line in the middle. You can move left and right with your finger to see before and after. Does that make sense? Probably easy, but I can't get it to work. Thanks. Keep up the awesome live streams. All right. Yeah, so this is the first one I'm going to conquer. Honestly, just tell you the truth, I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Right now, we can do this. Okay. And then I've also done this kind of oh, there it goes. This type of comparison where you just have two images. But for this one, I'm using the same image, and one is grayscaled and one isn't. So, and it's just following my mouse based on an IX2 thing. So let me just give you a recap how this is working. Is I have the after and the before. And Doug is asking, is there any way to make that not shake when you move your mouse? What do you mean by not shake? This is following my mouse, and so this is how I'm doing the comparison thing. So this won't work on a mobile because you know, you can't hover. This is based on a mouse position, and you can't do mouse position on mobile, but you can click and drag. And so that's the thing that Webflow doesn't have yet. That's the main part of this question is, how do you do a click and drag event? You can't. Right, but you can see the image vibrate a little when you move it. Really? Oh. Ooh. Ooh, I didn't notice that. Yeah. I don't know. So what I did was this after position right here. Oops. Hello. New style panel. That's not ready yet. All right, cool. All right, so no, the stream shake is not the stream quality. It's actually this. So yeah. So what I did was I did position absolute, and then full, and then it's this image. And let me set it to cover. Okay, and it's fixed. All right, and then the back here, let me show you, let me turn this one off. The before is just the same thing. Let me just do the same thing. There you go. Okay, and this should be cover. So that's all it is. It's just one on top of the other. Let me turn back on that. And you're not late, Ole. And then after that, you would add interaction where it's mouse movement comparison. I mean, mouse movement. And all it is just the after. So when my mouse is at 0, so this is 0 right here. When my mouse is at 0, make the size of after 1. And then when my mouse is at 100%, make the width 99. I can set it to 100 as well, but look. So that's all it's doing. It's just making the size. Ooh, that the shaky thing is still happening. But yeah, it's just making the size, the width of the after go from 1% to 99. Okay, and that's on mouse movement. Now, how can we make this a drag event That's the question. How do you make this a drag event? Or even, like, so my first thought is this interaction is not going to work on mobile, obviously. So let's just turn it off for everything mobile. Okay? So we'd be working with this. Okay. Now, on this breakpoint, when we first start, we can set it at 50%. Okay? And let's go ahead and add another div. And this is that middle thing. So, middle bar. Okay, I'm going to set it to position absolute and set it to like that, but it's actually 50%. Okay, cool. Let's make the width 10. Let's set the background to white. Oh, I need to set the Z index. There you go. I want it to be higher. So far, so good. All right, so what I want to do is, let's add like a little circle in the center and then have two carrots or something so we can tell people to drag it left and right. So let's see here. I think easiest thing would be to flex. And then we'll put another div inside. There we go. Let's call this circle. And this is the thing we'll set the drag interaction, or not interaction, set the drag code to. So later on in the stream, I'm going to find a code to do the drag. And again, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to do this, and I'm hoping it'll work. So there's that. Just being honest right now. Right now I know how to design it. Okay, why is that not working? See what I mean? I don't. With. Is it what? Okay, is it because? Okay. Oh, whatever. It works. All right, so that's this thing right here. Okay, let's flex this as well. Say no horizontal. Center. And let's just put a text block that says what? Okay, I can do that and copy paste, but why can't I put? Okay, that's just weird. Whatever. Cool. You guys saw that. That was weird. Alright, cool. And just for funsies, well, you don't need to change the cursor because, again, this is happening with our finger, not a mouse. Okay, cool. Da-da-da. Click and drag. How do I do this? jQuery drag. Does anyone know how to do drag? Draggable without... Ooh. I'm interested. Oh, okay. It's JavaScript. Oh, God. Okay. Seems easy. But... Oh, God. Oh, my God. There's a lot of code. I'm scared. You just got to the party at the right time where I'm, like, looking at code. And I'm like, okay. What am I doing? Okay. I want something easier. That's my first thought. There has to be something easier. This looks easy. Try it for yourself. Okay. Drag me. Not really. Okay. Comparison. jQuery Okay. Okay, so there's this thing. Okay, that's exactly what I want. Let's demo it. Okay, but I don't want to download a whole thing. If I have to, then I would. Okay, here we go. Creating the structure, blah blah blah. Original modified. Adding style. I don't. Yeah, I don't need bounce in. Okay, okay, yeah. This is okay. Okay, I think this is it. Oh my God, it's so much. Okay, okay, okay. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Donald, you have an easier one? Ah! Oh my God. Okay, so yeah, this is plugin 2020. What? See, this is the thing. Like, I want to see if it's possible to be easier rather than, hey, just take this whole code and then put it in and you'll be fine. But then you put in so much code that there's probably some code you don't even need. So, True Pixel is saying, can you have a portrait orientation background video on your mobile resolution? Oh, okay, that's a different question. Okay, yeah, I'll get to those. What's up, Paulino and Ethan? Um, man, and this is minified, so let's see here. JavaScript. Oh man, yeah, it's minified. See, as a designer, I'm like, oh, I'm over it. Let's see here. You can check this read only. Okay. And I don't want to be too lazy. I do want to try it, but I feel like this one is where I'm gonna be going to. I feel like this is my jam right here. I think I can figure this one out. Okay, before and after. Oh, dude. Okay, hold on. Oh wait. Let's see here. Webflow.io. Okay. Oh my God. So whoever did this already did all the work. Did you do this, Donald? Who did this? Who did this? Who did? Oh, there's no credits. Who did this? Because basically this is, and it's done in, I don't remember, just cloned it. It's Mark 84 UK. Wait a minute. Is this the guy we just hired him for QA? If this is, hold on. Let me go look at who owns this site. Hold on. I have access to the matrix. Oh wait. Obviously this is in your own account, Donald. Who's Zerb Studio? Zerb Studio. Hold on. Zerb Studio. Is this a... It's not a YouTube... not a YouTube. It's not a Webflow site. Okay, well... I don't know why Mark's name is on here. But whoever did this, thank you. This really helps. So this person used CMS with this. Okay, so let me see if I can break this down and make it easier for everyone. Yeah, see, it's so much extra code. Do you really need it? You know? I mean, yeah, it'll work. Okay, so Mr. Drillhead, if you're not here in the live chat and you're watching a recording, here's one way you can do this. Clone this. Where's the clonable site? Donald, can you find us the clonable version of this? Like, where would you find this? Let's see here. Webflow. If I do this, no, I can't find it. Before, after. Webflow. Magic slider. Oh, thank you, Ethan. You guys are awesome. It is Mark. Yeah, we just hired him. He's a QA manager, or not manager. He's one of the QA people in the team. So yeah. Thank you, Ethan. Mr. Drillhead, and I'm gonna DM this to you too. Clone that. Right? But I want to challenge myself. I want to see if I can do it and make it easier. And I may just fail real hard. Make CD. Okay. Let's copy this. So I made my own. Hold on, let me. Okay. Creating structure. CD hand. So we have the handle. Data type. The resizable image on top. That's basically what I'm doing already. And the original image is below. Can I do it? I don't know. But I want to. I want to learn. Mark is probably sleeping right now. He's in the UK. All right. So CD image container is the whole thing. Okay, got it. So I can just add another class. Actually, I can just, CD image container, which is this one, comparison wrapper. So I'll just add that. Cool. Done. What else? Actually, I can go here. So you have the CD image container, and you have the original image. Meh. That's a label. We don't care about labels. Fine. CD image. This is the image on top. So CD image resize. So that's going to be my after. Cool. CD handle. The thing that the thing, this middle bar. Dude, if this works, I'm going to be so surprised. And I'm going to do what I always do and say, I knew it. I knew it was going to work. All right. And then we have all this stuff that, well, whatever. Let's just, well, I get, do I need this? Is visible. Let's see if I can just get away with not doing this, because I already have my own CSS. Okay. The big boy. All right. I mean, if I already have all my stuff, shouldn't it work? Let's go play with it. What's it? Oh, comparison. Oh yeah. I'm not showing it on. Here, let's inspect. Go like that. Okay. There we go. Okay. I knew it's not gonna work. All right, we have a console error. Unexpected token. I like those. Those are easy. That just means you forgot a parentheses. That's fine. That's fine. That's easy. So let me just make sure I copy everything here. Go back here. Comparison. It says I'm missing. Okay, I'll just paste it again. Should be script Save. Publish. And let me try it again. What? How am I missing a... Okay, But that's the code that they gave me. See, coding is hard. Okay, let's see here. Open and close. Open. Maybe that's why it doesn't need this last one. So the person who made that article messed up. How dare they? Let's delete that and see what happens. Add a semicolon. Why not? Okay, something happened. That's good. It's not draggable. That's fine. Okay, whatever. Well, this apparently works. Okay. Okay, how come no draggy? Wait, this has a thing called draggable. Where's draggable? What? Okay. Okay, I don't know what to do now. Oh, man. Oh, add class draggable. Okay, so this adds a class to drags. No, this is a function, drags. Yeah. Seeing you try to understand this is why Vlad started Webflow. Exactly! Like, this is actually what I would do in my past jobs. Like, I don't know, and so I'm just trying to figure it out because I want it to work, right? And then once you're done getting it to work, you're like, oh my god, cool. And because you don't code much, you're like, how did I do this again? After a while, it's like, it sucks. I'm not sure why the resizable... Dude, there's nothing in here that says, like... How come I can't click on this? You lost me already. I know, I don't want to make you guys... I guess that's what we have to do. Magic slider. Alright. I'm taking the other route. Magic slider. So here's how I would do this. Clone it. Comparison slider. I coded once and got sick of it right away. Exactly, man. Exactly. All right. So, oh, read forum post here. Okay. You need to add this code to the footer in the site settings to make sure that it displays jQuery 2. Oh, really? That's lame. Okay, so you would take this and put it in here. Cool. So you're downgrading your jQuery. Okay, read forum post here. Okay, let's see here. Oh, that's just about jQuery being updated to 3. All right, cool. And then you just need before and after. So this seems easy. So you just get your 2 images. So okay, those are just where the images are coming from. So you need, do you need the alt tags? Before, after class. Okay. So what if I just gave it a class of 2020 container, which is this whole thing. just rename this to 2020 container. And it also has an ID of before and after. So I can go here, give it before and after. Easy. And then alt tags before and after. So I can go here, the after. Let's remove this. Give it a, can I give this an alt tag? Nope. Hopefully those alt tags aren't needed. Alright, so that seems super simple. Now we just get all that crazy code. Ugh. Scroll down. Okay, so... Do I need credits? I don't need credits. Let's see if I can get away with it without the credits. Get all this crazy code. And... well, I guess I need to do this stuff too. So that's the crazy code you need to put into the head tag. Style. And the style. Save it. And all this stuff. Hopefully this works. Save and publish? I doubt it's gonna work. Like what? There's something missing. That's just too easy. Let me delete the middle bar too. And you know what? Just to be safe, let's delete the interaction. Okay. Let's see. Because I feel like the the JavaScript adds its own slider handle thing. Yeah, see, I knew it. So close. Why? Do I actually have to make them real images? Instead of just divs? I guess so. Ugh. Before. What did he do here? No. What did he do here? Before, after. Is there anything else in here? It's just that. Okay. So it's just before and after. You have the image and the alt tag of before. Doesn't seem that hard to do. Before. And then we'll put another image, and this one will be after. After, but this one I'm gonna make a filter. Contrast, yeah, contrast 0. Ooh, not contrast. Saturation. There we go. So that's all he did with that. It's just two images on top of each other, right? Yeah, two images on top of each other. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. Let's go for it. I need a Xanax to watch this. I'm so sorry. Huh. But where the heck is the other one? So close. I don't need a label. Where's the image at? Oh, the images are here. Okay. Yeah. One of them I did. So do I have to just use a completely different image? Let's turn off the filter. Let's just remove this. I'll summarize after we do this. Okay, here's the summary. All right, summary is you can go to that magic slider, go to the home page, get the settings, copy everything from before and after all the way down to there, okay? Put that in your head tag, okay? And wrap it with styles. The style tag right there. Paste that in. Close the style. All right. And then get all of the JavaScript from here. Paste it in here. And so, in order to do this, you have to have 2 inline images. Okay? And these 2 inline images need to be wrapped with a parent div with a class name of 2020 container. After that, publish and you're done. That easy. Yeah. But it should have been, yeah. I tried to use divs instead of inline images and it didn't work. So this works though. So there you go. That took too long. I'm sorry, everyone. But I think we learned. So hopefully that helps. Okay. But yeah, thank you, Magic Mark, for doing that. I feel like this in Webflow too much also. This should be easier and corrected server side. So here's a cool thing. About the future of Webflow. There will be one day a user components marketplace where those developers, who can make this kind of stuff with code and love code, they can actually make this for us as a component in Webflow, and all you got to do is drag it from your panels tab, from the panel, add elements panel, drag it onto your canvas, and put a before and after photo, and you're done. You know, wouldn't that be easier? Because you don't have to code, you don't have to worry about anything. So that is coming one day. You know, right now we're still in the phase of like when the iPhone was first released, and it could do so much, but no one could develop for it. No one could make apps for it. Only people at Apple can make apps for the iPhone. And then when they opened up the App Store, boom, everyone had fun, right? So we're going to be there one day. I don't know when, but that would just be magical. Where this 30-minute tutorial that should have taken 5 minutes, honestly, could have been just okay, easy. Click, drag, put in your 2 images, you're done. One day. And that's why I'm like, Webflow is just, we haven't even begun. And it's been 5 years and we haven't even begun. Oh, okay. So, Mr. Drillhead, I answered your question. There you go. Next thing. Actually, hold on. Let me see here. Next question was from, let's see here. No, not Ken. I wanted to show you guys, like, I tweeted this morning. And I want to show you all. So this is nice. This is cute. Bloom in design. So I saw this on Twitter and I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. The reason why it's amazing is because tell the story first. Okay, this is someone's portfolio site and it tells his story first. User experience comes first, everything else grows from here. Get it? Bloom in design, grow. I design websites and apps that get your messages across no matter the device. So this is this person's story. This person doesn't say, hi, I'm so-and-so. I'm a user experience designer. No. And then you see his. Nice photo. I like the rag right here. What a rag is, it's like the end of the right side of text, and I think rag comes from like, you know, when a flag is ragged or something towards the end, or is just tearing off, so kind of like that. So this rag is following his shoulder. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, check out that site. It's really nice and happy. All right. What else? What else? I'll get to the questions in the chat room soon. I'm just going through my DMs. Reaching back. No, not that one. From Darren. Yeah, right here. Darren says, "Hey Nelson, I'm trying to figure out how to reproduce this in Webflow and love to see you tackle a design like this in one of your live streams. Plant22.co." And you can follow. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This is interesting. Look at the mouse cursor is a dot. That's cool. Okay, so this, easy. Just scale. That's interesting. Okay. You can do a lot of this stuff in Webflow. This is just rotate or skew on hover. Not too bad. So this reminds me of Geospace. Where things just open up. So yeah. Let's do one of these things. Yeah, let's do this. How would I do this? Okay, so what I would do is, let's go ahead and let me see if I can quickly make this. Yeah? Okay, here we go. Let me put this off to the side here. Go to my dashboard. Here we go. Let's make something new. Ooh, it's getting hot. Have the heater on. Okay. Here we go. All right, plant 22. Here we go. Oh, we can use grid too. Oh, I'm scared. Don't want to use grid? Yes. Challenge yourself. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. All right, here we go. 0. So there's 2 columns, 3 rows. Easy enough. Sorry, everyone. There we go. Not yet. All right. 100 VH. Cool. Got it. But this one has to be smaller. What? Oh, that's gap. Okay. So this one should be... No, not 1 pixel. Probably like 140, something like that. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm just gonna make the basic layout, and we're just gonna do the space one. So what I'm talking about is I'm just gonna do this part right here. Okay, and then the close. Yeah. Let's go. Let's fix this. Maybe not 140. Maybe 125. Cool. Done. All right. So these 2 are going to be white, so let's just leave them. I'm not going to focus in on that right now, but each one of these needs some sort of border. All right. So let's go here. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So this one right here is going to say I'll just call it white because it's going to have a white background. And it's going to have a border of like... I'm trying to figure out how do I make a border around the whole thing. So I know I can put a border around the whole grid like this and say like 5, right? 5 black. This one though, do I give it a border of 5 as well? What does it look like? Yeah, see, it's doubling up here. So that means this is like column 1, wait, yeah, C1 row 1. And so that way the top is like the top is none and the left is none. So it looks like this. Cool. Copy, paste, drag it here. This would be duplicate class C2 R1. Yeah, not too hard. So this one would be turn on. No, turn off the top. Turn off that. Turn off. Oh, no. Turn on. What does it look like? Oh, we're good. Okay, so those two are good. Let's go ahead and make the other ones. Actually, no. Copy, paste, drag it here. What does it look like? Good to go. So rename, or not rename, duplicate to, call it space. And that one actually has some sort of different color. I'm getting the color real quick. What color is that? Sweet. All right, so I got the color, and let's go ahead and flex this because there's text inside. And this one would be, oh wait, no, we can't. Can we flex it? Because there's going to be other stuff inside of this. Oh wait, no, I don't have to flex this at all because I can just overlap this with text because we're playing with grid. What happened to this? Ah, geez. I'll get to that later. Alright, so I can put this not inside of space, but in its own thing. Let's move this down to 2, 2. This should be there. Cool. And then I can do this. Ah, that's awesome grid. Space. Oh no, all lowercase. Space. Let's just make this bold. Okay, cool. Copy, paste. Huh. Copy. Why isn't... No. I want a copy of it. No. Excuse me? Oh, okay. This one right here. Wait. Yeah. This one, I'm gonna just type it in. Column 2, 2, 2, 2. And then you should be 2, 2. There we go. All right, we're back. All right, space. Duplicate class, and this one will be members. Cool. No, I want to put, yep. Bah. 2, 2, 2, 2. There we go. Members. Member. How come that one doesn't work either? So I'm holding Alt. There we go. If you hold on Alt and click and drag, you can duplicate it faster and drag it into a different grid area. So holding Alt, waiting for a second, and clicking and drag. There we go. Cool. So that's members. This is membership. Membership. This is class. Oh. And this is contact. Cool. Click holding on Alt, dragging. Holding on Alt, dragging. Cool. Membership. Go outside. 3. Center you. Yeah, grid's kind of finicky still. Maybe it's me. Contact. Okay, almost done. Let's go ahead and get some colors. Color right there. Cool. Color for you. Cool. Lastly, color for you. Cool. All right. Now, how do you do the interaction? So we've set this up. Now, how do you do the interaction? My guess is I don't know. I really don't know. If this is going to happen inside of Flex, or I mean, if this is happening in Grid, how do I make this grow to something like this? You know, and then take up the whole space. So, let's figure it out. Can this work? Or this is going to be a failed stream? Yeah. Scale 2 to make it grow? Maybe. We can try that. Okay. Space. All right. So, space, scale, grow to 2. Oh, so it goes beyond its grid area. So, yeah. So, what if I, instead of scale, what if it's size? Oh, yeah, we can go beyond. Instead of going like 100% or something. Wait, what? Why'd you, what happened here? What? Okay, so doing stuff with grid and interactions is not fun? Is this what you're telling me, internet? Am I... Oh. Ugh. So I'm pushing things around. Huh. So it can't... What are they using as far as code? They're using nav. Okay, so they're using calc. Interesting. So space is doing that. But when I click it, wow, their code is very clean. That's interesting. So if I were to use Flexbox, would that be easier? What? How can I tackle this? Does position absolute and z index exist in grid? Great question. Let's try it. Nope, that doesn't work. That doesn't work because when you go like this, it's going targeting to the body. So if I do like something like this, it worked, but then our initial state, yeah. So maybe grid wasn't the answer, or I can wrap this all, and this would be row started 2, 3 in column 1 and 2. And so this is just taking up this whole space, right? And everything's going to be inside of that. And I may just do flex instead, because so this could have a position relative. Or would I just do... Yeah, maybe I should just tackle this. Rocks. Oh, hey, Rocks, what's up? I was watching your stream. What am I making? I am making plant22. Yeah, .co. Someone asked, is this possible in Webflow? And I don't like to say no until I try it. So what if this, like each one of these things were actually just position absolute? And like this one was 0, 0, and then this was like 50% width, height 50%. Yeah, we can do something like that. And this goes to top left. So this one, put it in here for now. And okay, I think I'm getting something. I'm feeling something here. I'm feeling some happiness. Okay. You guys feeling me here? You guys see what I'm doing? Okay, cool. Nice. This one should go on the bottom. Okay, put you in there. You guys see what I'm doing, right? I'm using position absolute, and I think it's gonna work. Okay, we're back here. The long way round. But we got this. Because in my head, when I click this, when I size this, it's not going to push anything. It's not going to push anything because it's floating. It's using position absolute. So if I go like this and say size is 100 VW. Ooh, it's going got a little bit of yucky. How about 100%? Okay, much better. 100%. All right. Let's just add another one real quick for size and say 50, 50, and set this as initial state. All right, so it's gonna go like this. Cool. All right. Feeling me here? Then we'll use this. Okay, that's too fast. But we need to play with z-index. Okay. There we go. Fix the z-index. I'll say that one's 10. Yes! See, look at this. You can do it. Okay. I want to play with it again. Come on. Alright. Cool. So we got that first part going. So right when it clicks, this word space goes away. So we'll just do it right here, go back to space. So right when I click, this should do a display none. So it's just boom. Easy. Now, inside of this, we're going to put a slider. Okay. This slider is going to just be position, has to be position absolute as well. So position absolute, take over the whole thing, that's fine, but get away from the edges. Ugh, no. Get away from the edges. Okay, that's fine, but there you go. Okay, cool. And it should be display none. Cool. Go back to space. Excuse me. And after that happens, we should do, actually, wait, hold on. Go back to the slider, and I'm going to set its opacity to 0 because it has to fade in. And then also just make sure that hide and show is display none. And then when you get here, hide and show, we're going to show it. And then also we're going to opacity 100. Cool, cool. And so we should have something like this. So you saw it fade in. Oh wait, it came from the side too, didn't it? Oh, so it comes in diagonally. That's fine. That's fancy. Not too hard. Got this. So its initial spot is like, say, -50, -50. I'll make it 150. Right? And then when we get here, we move it to 0, 0. So, ooh, that was ugly. Linear. Actually, it does a little bounce thing, doesn't it? So out bounce. This one should do an out bounce. Out. I can't. There. Oh, not a bounce. Back. Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Cool. And there you go. And I just put slides inside of that thing, and you should be done. Let's do one more thing and just add a close. We'll just use text for now. And close. Put it to the top right. And say 10. 10. Push this down. Also, you guys should subscribe to or follow Rox on Twitch. Go ahead and put your link, Rox. What's your real name, Rox? He was streaming Webflow on Twitch, and I was like, oh, cool. Yeah. Wait, where's your site too? Dang it, I made a note. Can you link your site too? If you're cool with that. Up to you. Alright, so let me go back to this right here. Okay, so this, the initial state of this is just going to be a hide show no. And then right here, let's just turn it on right here. Hide show yes. So that way, when I click on close, let's duplicate this. So when I click on close, let's delete all of that. Wait, no, these aren't initial state. So when I click on close, everything will happen backwards. So that way I don't have to recreate all these steps. Okay. So this space will go back to 50%. The close will go back to hidden. The slider will move back to that. And The hide show will happen after the opacity. And this text block right here will show back up with that. And yeah, we can delete everything else. What's up, Jessica? Click. Cool. Close. Ugh. Fix that real quick. Out, back, and we're done. I don't think it has to be out, back. Maybe just out cubic. Cool. So, the question was from Darren. The answer is yes. It can happen. I'll send this to him. Boom. Yeah, quick and dirty, but I mean, yeah, it's possible. Yay, okay. Going back to your questions. All right, let's see here. Cloned it. There are some questions. Let's scroll all the way up. Okay. True Pixel. Can you have a portrait orientation background video on your mobile resolution with text effects over it? Yes. Yes, you can. Can you give me a file or something? Hold on. Yeah, can you give me a file, a video file that's portrait that I can upload? But yeah, do I have a video or something? Hold on. What's this? Oh, okay, this is a stock. I got a stock video. Beach Fox. What's this? Oh, that's a... Nope. How big is this? Hold on. I'm looking for a video to upload. This is only 9 megs. Alright, that's cool. Let me copy this into the desktop. Where's the video? I just copied it into... Okay, there it goes. Okay. So, video. So, we can pretend that our video is like... Let's go ahead and put something here. We'll put it in the very center. We'll make the width like a pixel size, like 500. Nope. 300 by 800. Nope. So yeah, pretend this is a phone or something, right? We can round it out like a phone. Give it crazy bezels like a phone. Right? And then inside this phone is a video. So I can drag in a background video, upload it, find that, wait for that to happen. Whoa, look at it. Look at, do you see that twitching? That was weird. Yeah, the overflow and hidden were twitching. That was weird. So I'm going to give this background video the same width and height. So 300, 540. So it fits inside. Supposed to fit inside. Is it because of these? All right, let me do this. Let me throw that outside. Oh. There. Okay, 10. Cool. Oh, this looks like a modern phone now. Cool. So there you go. And now I can put text stuff over it. Okay, because this is already position relative, and so I can put stuff on top of it, or even text. I can put text on top and be like, hello world. There you go. So yeah, can you put stuff over a video? Yes, you can. It's just a background video. It just works like a background image, but it's actually a video. Yeah. Wait a minute. Is my wife watching me downstairs on the big screen? That's weird. She's watching my live stream and I can hear her, hear the TV in the background. So I hear myself on a delay. That's weird. Yeah, weird. Anyways, yeah. Let's see here. What are you making? So, are you still using grid, but you wrapped everything in a large div? Liberate yourself from the limitations of grid. Yes, I did, Vladimir. Yeah, I used a large div. I used a large div right here that takes up. So if I go like this, now they're smaller. So this one takes up this whole space right here. Okay, I can even go like this, but with these 4 blocks, they're not using any grid, they're not using any flexbox, they're just doing position absolute. And I'm just making them 50-50, the 50 width and 50 height percentage. Yeah, that makes sense? Okay, cool. Any other questions? That was fun. Those 2 things were fun. The draggable thing was kind of tough. Doug, I've had issue with things not going full width on an iPhone X in landscape mode when set to 100%. Can you show me an example? Because I can use browser stack. I've had an issue with things not going full width on an iPhone X when I set to 100%. You can also do 100 VW, which is viewport width. CMS image gallery height. It looks right on the web, but on my phone. CMS. When you have a problem, just drop it in a div. Yep. Yep. Just drop stuff in a div. If grid's not working for you, just drop it in a div. And, remember, when you're using new stuff, it might not make sense at first. And so it's always good to still understand the old stuff. And at the same time, you still need to keep trying the new stuff. It's so weird. That's the internet for you. It's always growing, and you have to keep learning, or else you're going to be falling behind. That's the hard part about technology, right? Yeah. Is it even possible? I think Safari crops it because the notch. Nikki, what's up? I just got online. I don't know what's happening, but I'm liking the color scheme. Oh, this was just me trying to figure out if this interaction works. That, and this is based on plant22.co. So someone asked me on DMs, is this possible inside of Webflow? Sure enough, it is. Oh, they don't even have an animation to close it. They just display none or something. It's kind of lame. But yeah, this is all possible in Webflow. One thing I would fix is look at this scroll bar. It's default. You know what? Make it the same color or something. Kind of breaks the nice look. But yeah, Plant 22, pretty cool. And I was able to recreate it. Yeah. All right. Now the boring stuff, right? Oh, Doug, you have an image. What's up? What is this? Oh, okay. So your site. Hold on. So can you post the link? So this can't be 100. Yeah, can you post the link? Rather than me trying to retype this whole thing. Can you make your mouse cursor look cool as well? Yes, you can. Custom cursor CSS. So yeah, you would just use this cursor property. So you just type it in. Here you go. Here's how you would do it. For example, let me see here. Let me find project real quick. So let's go ahead and go here. So custom code, head. No, not head, style. And the style. And say this is for. So this, what this says is anywhere inside the body tag, which is the whole page, do something. So I'm gonna set the cursor to a URL, and I'm gonna delete that for now. I'm gonna set it to save, and now I'm going to drag in like a Webflow logo. And now that it's uploaded into my assets, I can go ahead and get the URL. Go back to my CSS. Inside the URL, I'll paste in the URL in between the parentheses and press publish. And so you should see the Webflow logo as my cursor. And so that cursor that they use with the circle, that's just a PNG or SVG or something that they uploaded. And so now it doesn't work. Awesome. Live demos, they're hard. Why you no work? Did I do something wrong? You can also have a cursor being image. Do I have to put like quotation marks or something? What? Actually, you can also do this with embed. You might be able to see it happen. No? Why? Okay. If this doesn't work, lame, but I'll move on. There is a way. Cursor, path to image. That's what I did. Cursor, path to image. Whatever. Going to Doug's thing. All right, Doug. So let me get your URL. And you said on phone. What's going on? So it doesn't go all. Whoa. Oh, yeah, the glitchy. I thought that was something wrong with me. Huh. It's interesting. And your code says fixed. And yeah, okay. That's interesting. So here's one thing I always do whenever I'm like debugging stuff. There's this cool place called Browser Stack. Cost a pretty penny, but it's totally worth it. So iPhone X, I'm guessing. So if you guys never seen this kind of stuff, it's such a lifesaver. Instead of like trying to buy every phone or something, or buy every, this has browser stack has everything, man. Okay, why is American Airlines? That's weird. Go. It works. It doesn't work. Oh. Yeah. Donald was correct. The reason why is because of this notch. Let's see here. iOS hide notch web page CSS. I don't know. There's like something. There's something that you can. Oh, here it is. Okay, so see, this is the same thing. The same thing happening on your website. And so when you hide the notch, it goes all the way. All right. So let me send you this. So, and then there's this thing right here. Like, is that real? I don't know. But yeah, that notch, all the notches. So here's the HTML, and I guess this is what you're supposed to do. So let's try this. Oh no, I can't try it. It's a read-only link. So yeah, you might want to try this HTML, and hopefully that helps, Doug. But yeah, that's just a thing with notch phones now. That's just a thing you have to deal with. It is what it is. And here's the thing, though. Give me stats on how many people actually use the web on a landscape orientation. There's not many, so you don't have to worry about this. Okay. Cool. All right. Wow. I guess this is just a mailbag, or like not mailbag, a tech support stream for today, because I don't know if I have energy to keep going with my own site. Yeah. Maybe I should ask my wife for some water or something. Dope. There we go. All right. Cool. Hopefully that answers everyone's questions. Back on mine. So close, yet so far. So what we last left off on was this stuff. We added an interaction. We made it cool. And I'm happy with it. Oh, the more I look at it, the more I'm not happy. Because everything's swiping, but these don't swipe. Now I have to make the interaction even more crazy. Just do it. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Oof. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is everything is swiping like that. So what I want is maybe this main part, instead of swipe, it can opacity 0 to 100 and kind of shift from left to right a little. So this whole big area actually has some movement as well. So that should be easy. So I'm going to move this as initial state. Say 50. Also, let's set the initial state to opacity 0. And oof, a lot of stuff happening. Okay, so I'm guessing right here we move it back to 0 and the opacity back to 100. These will be, cubic, and it'll delay of like 1 second. Let's see what's happening. Oh, that was easy. 20G Creative, what's up? See, adding that just gives it more flavor because everything's moving. Before I added that, this center section wasn't moving and it just seemed very static. Like, okay, here it is. But this one it adds more movement to it, so it's following the swipe. Awesome. Here we go. Cool. I feel like the homepage is done. I've messed around with it so much. I feel like it's done. Okay. Where's my text? Oh, okay. Because it's gonna... Oh yeah, offline or off stream, I made this one smaller too. I felt like 75 was too big as far as the size of it, so I made it 50-50. All right, so that one's done. This one's done. Whoa, it's raining loud. It's raining hard. Rambles are done. What else? Projects. Oh, that's what I was left on. Okay, so that's what I was doing. I was just adding all my projects. I didn't put the actual images yet because I'm still working on the text. That's the hardest part. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, I got a ways to go with text and everything. But you know what? I can just go ahead and start putting them in. Nothing's gonna show up. I mean, nothing's gonna show up as far as content, but it's all good. What? Oh, that's main. Okay. Can we just go to the second row, please? Okay, third row. There we go. Cool. So, Vladimir, any idea and when CMS collections can be used to put pictures into light boxes? Yeah, that's the thing. We're still working on that. And the reason how we're tackling that is with e-commerce. So obviously when you're about to buy a product, you don't want to see just one photo or one image of a product. You want to see multiple, right? And right now you have to kind of hack your way through that kind of a thing by adding custom fields, adding multiple image custom fields. Soon you'll be able to do, soon you'll see in the CMS fields, custom fields, you can add an image gallery. Okay, so that doesn't take up multiple CMS field space, and it doesn't take up multiple CMS item space. It's just one field, and you can put multiple pictures inside of that one field. That's going to be coming soon, so that's going to be the solution to that. But great question. All right, so I took this from the Rambles, and I can't change the collection of Rambles. The reason why is because everything is bound, okay? And so how you can tell something is bound is if an element is purple. So this element is purple, that means this is connected to something. So this is connected to collection page. So go like that. And now it's white. Okay? Video thumb. Take that off. Now it's white. This video title. Okay. Now it's white. Now that everything is white in here, I can go to this collection item, and look, the padlock is gone. Now I can pull this from projects, and now I can bind them again. And so that way I don't have to recreate the collection styles. I don't have to remember what the style names are. I can just work backwards and then go forwards. So let me just bind it again. That one's bound. This one's going to get from the thumbnail, but there is none because I haven't uploaded yet. This is going to get from name. Cool. And then collection. Yeah, so that's it. Cool. Oh, I wanted to categorize this too, right? What's the category? Didn't I do a... Oh, yeah, project type. Concept versus client. Yeah, so concept work versus client. So let me do this. Set the filter. Project type equals client. There we go. So this one only shows client work. And let's go ahead and let's put that in a div for now. This one's gonna go 1 to 5. Yeah, it's 5. And then 3 to 3. And then inside there I can put like a H2 or something. Why is it all the way over there? Oh well. Oh, because this one... Ah, okay. It has padding. Okay. That's cool. Whatever. I'll do that with this. Client work. Let's go ahead and push that away. It's like 3 VW. 3 VW. Cool. And then I'm gonna just hold Alt, click and drag. There we go. And this is concepts. And I can change the filter this to be concept. And there we go. So that's all set up. Let's look at it. Not a problem. Not a problem. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string. Ugh. Except for that. Why you do the thing? Yeah, you can go all the way. All the way. What? Oh no. Is it doing that weird? Oh, okay. Hold on. These need to be resized into the... Oh god! No. Or... I can just add more... No, if I add more, it's going to be on 6 other pages. So I have to fix this. That's fine. 3. 3. Okay, we're good. We're good? We're good. Cool. Alright, we're good. We're good. But the word projects is super small. Okay, like that. Is it supposed to be that small? What are other pages doing? Oh, questions. But what if I want to use a CMS image lightbox for blogs and not e-commerce? Yeah, it'll be for all CMS things. I assume it'll be part of the... Oh, yeah. You just answer yourself and Donald will answer. Okay, cool. Oh, okay. So I changed it for this. So it's 7.54. I think this is 10. Something like that. Okay, let's look at it. Cool. Not cool, actually. What's going on? Toss you over. Toss you over. Now you're cool. Sweet. So I need to just throw the extra content in there, and that should be done. This contact page has no form. That should be easy. What? Do you keep all your grid cells on auto? Most of them? Again, I'm still learning. As far as the rows go, they're all on auto. The columns, they're one fraction. This one's 0.25. I don't think these need to be these sizes. This one's 100% because, or 100 pixel by 100 pixel, this one, because of my logo. But yeah. What's going on here? Oh, easy. There you go. Cool. And I can just put a form right here so we can be friends. Friends. How many of us have them? Friends. Let's be friends. Old school song. I guess I could put it here. Okay, and so let me just add some more stuff. Label. What you. Now what you want? Okay. Yeah, well, yeah, that looks weird. But I like how it comes off the bottom like that. How about form submit and we forget about that? That's cool. It adds flavor. Maybe I should put like a creepy, like a creepy GIF of me. Like, if I can get a video of me on a like a white background and or somehow chroma key myself, and it's like going like this, where I'm like peeping out, or like this. Oh, I dropped my phone. I don't know. Just a thought. YouTube warning, you're in violation of YouTube terms of service for killing that song. Oh, I will kill many songs. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Fun fact. I used to be in show choir for all 4 years of high school. What is show choir, you may ask? It's Glee. It's Glee before Glee was cool. And I would wear a sequence vest and had those jazz hands. And I remember our class sang Little Shop of Horrors, a bunch of the songs from Little Shop of Horrors for our competition. And and 1 year too, we did George of the Jungle, and I had to dress up in the ape costume. Good times. Oh, high school. High school was weird for me. Anyways. Alright. Not sure if you missed my question. Oh, I missed a question. If someone fills out this form, where does that info go to? Oh, yeah. Easy. So after you fill out that form, it gets saved into here. It gets saved all the way at the bottom. So you'll see all of your form submission data right here. Okay? and you can download it as a CSV. Also, whenever someone fills out the form, you can have Webflow automatically email you that data to an email address. Or if you delete your email, it'll go nowhere. Okay. Also, what else? You can connect your forms to a thing called Zapier, and so that form data can go into Webflow and get saved. It can get sent to your email address or wherever. Also, at the same time, that data can be sent over to Zapier, and from Zapier, that data could be pushed over to anywhere else. For example, if you go to apps, you can send the data to a Google Sheet. You can send that data to a Gmail. You can send that data anywhere you want. Salesforce, Airtable, it just on and on. A text message too. On and on and on. It's crazy. Ooh, cool. We're here. Yay. Wait, what's it say? Top 100 websites? We're the top 100? Woohoo! All right, so yeah. All right, let's go. So let's fix this contact, and I think we'll be done for the day. All right, so we got this going, So let's go ahead and move this over here. All right, we're good. In this form block, it should have some... Should have some padding or something. What's this? Oh, 3 VW. Okay, so I have to use VWs. 3 VW, 3 VW. Good to go. Actually, the max of this should be like 550 pixels. And centered. Ugh, what happened? Why is it all like... That's strange. Okay, I'm not gonna use that then. Wait, oh. Yes. Cool, I'll do 4 instead. What's it look like? Need it to be smaller. Let's do this. Max 550. Center it. Why does it go weird? Stop being weird. That's not 550. Come on, you're not fooling anyone. Oh, I center it with this. Okay. Wait. Why? Come on, grid. Okay, what if I do 550 like this, and then... So grid doesn't like max width? Whatever, dude. Whatever. Alright, let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, you can add CMS items with forms. So yeah, so you know how you can send stuff from a Webflow form to Zapier and then Zapier to anywhere else? You can also do the backwards where you can like take, like whenever you tweet or upload a YouTube video, it goes into Zapier, and then from Zapier, it goes into your Webflow CMS. And so from your Webflow CMS, it publishes immediately. That's cool. Automation. Amazing. Why? Okay, maybe it's because of these. No, it's not. Okay, it's my width. Let's say just auto. Yeah. 90%? Okay, cool. Let's set these to 0. Cool. Oh, that submit button in the wrong area. Oops. Get out of here. Yeah, that form submit button is doing its thing. 0, 0. Cool. 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 All right. Let's bring that mobile nav back in. Looking pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah, that's fine. All right. Cool. Do I have a projects template ready? I don't. Oh, God. I think that's for another day. I've done a lot today. Ooh. Streaming for 2 hours. All right. Let's end this. Let's end this until maybe Saturday. If not, then Monday. My music. Where you at? I need to find something else. Let's see here. This is what I use. I use Epidemic. What's good? What's good? What's new? Latest. So this is all just music that you can use for like a subscription fee, and then you won't get hit with any copyright infringements. So it's nice. And they have some cool stuff. Let's see, like browse. Let's do something chill. Circus. Wait, circus romantic? Amusement park. Thank you all for joining me today. It's been fun! No, we're not going to end it this way. No. No. You need your best when you do that. Oh, yes. Yes. All right. Christmas stuff? No. Afternoon lounge. I think this will be cool. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Work it and work it and work it 5 more times than 1. And no, we're not doing this. No, we're not doing that. I'm just gonna go back to my playlist that I've saved. I like it chill. Where is it? What about this one? Have I used this before? No, I don't like that. I don't like that anymore. Barely floating? Oh, yes. That one's a good one. Cool. All right. Thank you all. Man, that was fun. A lot of stuff, a lot of learning stuff. We did sliders. Yeah, we did some custom interactions. We did the dragging effect. And yeah, can't remember, but we did a lot. But if you have any other questions you want to DM me, go for it. I'll try to get to them. I can't get to them all. If you want to hold them for my next stream, that'd be much better, because I can get to it right away in front of you live and see if we can all together try to figure it out. But yeah, if this is your first time watching the stream, I hope you liked it. I hope it's educational. I hope you got something out of it. Yeah, if you like it, hit the subscribe button. If you really like it, join the Bell Squad. Hit that notification bell. And yeah, you'll know when I go live again. Every Monday and Thursday at 8 p.m. Pacific. Maybe Saturday, 8 p.m. Pacific. Depends on life. But yeah, oh, let me pause the music real quick. Just one more, just to show you the thing. I'll put it in chat room again. Right there, just a reminder. I will be on the Crowdcast podcast. Crowdcast, CreatorCast. Anyways, yeah, register there. I'll tell you more about my life as a Glee Club member. I don't know if I'll get into that, but yeah, that'll be fun. Just telling people how I build a community using live video, and in all honesty, building a community is not something I ever thought I would be doing, but I just have this natural want for people to learn, natural want for people to come together despite differences of backgrounds, age, beliefs, or whatever. To me, that doesn't matter. It just matters if you are willing to learn, and those are the type of people I love spending time with, because we all learn together. I learn from you all, and you learn from me, and we're a nice little family. See, community like that. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in the next stream, and as always, make the web beautiful. See ya.